Oh, but what can be beer, Chregan, and ye be beer? Voice, at your time, I just only sound. Not that at your time. One more time, MPP, let's say, everywhere, you know, and this is one cancer, mamma, one more time party, Ankasa. And then, motive for Musu.
Enna, Mibo, Enna, or therefore, Bisase. Is it possible for a human being to say another person has deceived them? Because you are enjoying the free senior high school. So how do you come and say Obi a dada?
Me say, I join a top the beer. And yet you ma exposure, the level of exposure no, I will low, our kind. The exposure no, your force say, it is a BBPR. Yes, Koso baby, Yabi. That is Ghana for journey. Oh, Kona Koshe Krumha, or Koyuke Koshe, Nayandi Etiana Ebre. That kind of exposure and woman. Oh, and the Musuka, may I come and Kwanka, I don't care about them. They should cry their own cry. Nobody should sympathize with them. Because my Kaipa Napo, Sa teacher. Development then Phoebe and Napo about motivate 2000. It was Napo.
Yeah, continuous professional development.
Yes, Napo brought it 2000 every year. You give it to them November free. I don't cry say more you courses in Adia. Namunti Mutia courses, you are courses in your 50 cities, 100 cities courses, they don't want to pay to develop themselves. Professional development allowance. They don't even use the money. Now and they are talking about free SHS, food. We see when government, say central government, want to feed students who headmaster, who have only saying, who ya beza, who have only saying, who ya teacher near, you don't want to say what chade, and you are near some umedi, and you are some. A buying and not in the policy about say me feeding kola. There's no way say who had there's Uko USA, the federal government feed students. The principals and they don't have anything to do with it. They just have a supervisory role. They don't go there. Whatever the student eat, there is a contract between caterers and the federal government that they feed the student. Students go there with their ID with barcode. They scan. So they know every student who eats in the morning and the afternoon. Now, me bomb pie say, "Yaku ponja Dr. Bamia, dum that's a Dr. Ba." Obey introduce Sadi and say, high school students will be having your ID card with barcode or call a cafeteria so could dia or best scanning who the number of students are. You feed you every day so that we can have their data and track it. Near work from phone or movie. I'm sure doctor can do this. We're going to have a central data system of students with their ID card and barcode. Or back at a cafeteria, but here you now scan it, go into the central data system. I call away and pay what the breakfast, we already lunch, where you want back. Now you so that we can monitor. And this is for the BFR computer will be almost through Chronunti or Mumpe. Chronunti or Mumpe. And Tiano, Modi almost having himself doctor dear. Sanya Maniame and the kitchen he will just do it quick to make sure say the system is structured for us. Now Kabunu or say then on Panaba Winter or I feel no soon. Only a Nagrat concern and the native for. Omo ya one omo kwaje laptop bre a teacher for no ko twa atroto na post wo kai say na po na wakọ teacher for scan na po kwatra PCFM e no gu o manu masa na wano ye den e ka tumu ene osun onya hu hweye na teacher for no hu sun on be so mo tiate afa no wafia kufu ado wo ye teacher ni a wakọ school akosu ade na wote wona ye twa antro kire wa you can't discern between lies and truth. Now, if you can't discern between lies and truth, then you go and stand before case and tea.
You be an Ebeka so moon police station one or moon conquer to a yasemwa. Nanki a jam, Naki a miamokon. Nanka no be an Ebeka says sorry, Nakona Kotua. But this is just the beginning. Where ya shall see? I feel na mube who markets pa deception. Any draw, any rant that you turn around, run yeah, turning around me. I feel na muba be winning now. Voice me anu maba momun kabi agana for the jo machi aye nyina aye bekasa ye benya kompo ni yenya blood pressure.
Me say that's my mother, right? Mommy, thank you so much. Quickly some comments. TK says that let Ghanaians face what they pass through. Mrs. Edu Jenfi says that as a teacher, why should you be afraid of being licensed? I'm confused, cry. I don't know. Nurses go through licensure and they are okay. Teachers are running away from it. I don't get it. Or therefore, good evening. 5 minutes, young boy.
The boys.
Yeah.
Memoado, and I'm in my chief person now. The boys.
Yes.
Yeah, Tembia, me cancel my yeah, now can say me one. Who's the Ghana? Yeah, now I don't know. Say, you Jimmy, no, with different levels. Because me, what them so be a better, do be a. Yeah, I'm in Tiasi. I didn't see I will be our school. Hey, shut up. Sorry. I didn't do be our school. Now it now say ubi dada. Ya dada was saying. Only common sense. Ubi dada was say kotu abama ubi. Do the only was sitting unim whatever is going on around you. Near koso or brabum Yet Ghana na omucha training college allowances. MPB buying umbrella store. Umbrella store man. Eno anyamufe. Ena moye nursing training for you come allowance ye buy a stomach still mo separate na afi moye adwuma ni mpia mo car musu yet Ghana na obi ye adwuma 3 years 2 years and e pia 3 months salary but MP call parliament for 4 years or ba we are or the expansion ada na ye adwin enya adwuma na tambia ye pese ye na ya kaso obi adadai obi anada wadwin enya adwuma adwin enya adwuma nti school na wa kon no sa adwin enya adwuma ti se wan ko school wa ko school na so wadwin enya adwuma wan ko school kan campus so because me tie se me hwe mabrabum na me hu ade nti woto no ni ma ade eye ma wo ade eye ma wo the voice woto so ni ma ade eye ma wo se ade we ya e kwa me ankasa ejina dia uko ye unim nipa no obi a ye bode ma ye put in this scenario say uni obi ko baabi ana were you as a were you to twene when yes were you to twene ana ne ho asana kire no ana wasana ba on chen say boa me na me nsan yeye na wo so wani age say wo be boa nipa no ma na yi na za wo boa no ma na yi ya unya so say na wo your first one obesana your second one sir ye ni ndo mama oba so first na mamu obebuye yehunye ba yesterday Ghana for say MB for so dey ya so ahotwe dey omuhu bi da enti omopedo mahama na omato amani enti whatever they are going through no na me catch MB for so omba obi ayantua ne ka bia mo muntua ne NDC for be say no bia omba omunya ne sa because I Ghana for yepe yepa ho kire yepe say yebe stre say ode yen hwe MPP era na say nka nurses for ye de swat teacher for ye de swat ekopam omo every officer nka obehu the whole year so bia beti nka say NPP for pam teacher for mo person beti omoka na ode kan okure mo ba office na anu ade ebinim to range over ebinim to lessons na teacher ni a ono ti classroom what trans 10 months oh man is that what kind of wickedness is this? Yeah, wickedness nkwa de Ghana for edi we na yepe say we na yepe na ya to amom edi we should deal with it ye mfa no sa na ye because obi a oye professor na o ka kire o young professor say wa dada wa o kra de o humo broko aten obi a on school da say o professor na o ka kire say o young professor adada o dada you wa say edi woni ma woni nyansa oda on nesu nyasa na udidi a ono nkwan ana mongo na udi say obi a wako school to that extent edinti akwa no kan na mudi na tem no say UK also UK and say him for professor yes me PhD because mo kura PhD na mo bu ani mase mama education na yes format in that form because emfaso bi school na mo ko e no so mo nwini munim ne because ye kai school common school fees ntina nipa bebre nko school fees akufu ado bae obema ye free education we nyina wo force yempe Ghana force yempe o yempe free education ade free bia anye omo a omuntimi ukọ abuse bi ma masa say nye free education nko mo ba fi onko bia nko secondary school da say nye free education nka fi obi nko secondary school da enzo yes still almost as a prayer na separate na be separate ya che afi ni ya sha 6 months kuni ya 3 years e da yani mo 3 years 4 months e da yani ni ebe duro ni ebe hu omo mbe stress kan me bomb pa free education ye betwam na ya ye na eba ni nyina ye hu say ye ombe mamu yi aponchen kwan